in this lecture. So we'll see the problem. The statement of problem is the forward path transfer function of a unity feedback control system is given by g of s is equal to 100 divided by s into bracket s plus 6.54. Okay. Then find the resonance peak, resonant frequency and bandwidth of the closed loop system. So we'll go for solution. Given g of s is equal to 100 divided by s into bracket s plus 6.54 and h of s is 1. Why h of s is 1? Because in the statement of problem it is given unity feedback. Then we know that the closed loop transfer function is given by c of s by r of s is equal to g of s divided by 1 plus g of s into h of s. So we'll substitute g of s, h of s and we'll find c of s by r of s, which is equal to 100 divided by s square plus 6.54 s divided by 1 plus 100 by s square plus 6.54 s, which is equal to 100 divided by s square plus 6.54 s divided by s square plus 6.54 s plus 100 by s square plus 6.54 s. So in the numerator and denominator we'll cancel s square plus 6.54 s as shown. Okay, so what comes to be c of s by r of s is equal to 100 divided by s square plus 6.54 s plus 100. I'll take this as equation 1. Then I'll compare this equation 1 with standard function. So what is the standard function? Omega n square by s square plus 2 damping ratio omega ns plus omega n square. So when we compare, omega n square will come equal to 100. So omega n is root of 100. Due to that, omega n will get 10 radians per second. 10 radians per second. Okay. So 2 damping ratio omega n is equal to 6.54. So 2 damping ratio omega n we have got 10. 10 is equal to 6.54. Due to that, damping ratio is equal to 6.54 by 20. Due to that, damping ratio is 0.327. Next we'll find resonant frequency. Omega r is equal to omega n root of 1 minus 2 damping square. So substitute omega n and damping square, which is 10 into root of 1 minus 2 into 0.327 whole square, which comes equal to 10 into 0.8866. So omega r is 8.866 radians per second. Okay. Next we'll find resonant peak. We have the formula for resonant peak. Mr is equal to 1 divided by 2 damping ratio into root of 1 minus damping square. So substitute damping value, which is 1 divided by 2 into 0.327 into root of 1 minus 0.327 square. So Mr will come equal to 1.618. So bandwidth will find. We have bandwidth is equal to omega n into root of 1 minus 2 damping square plus root of 2 minus 4 damping square plus 4 damping raised to 4. Substitute all the values. So 10 into root of 1 minus 2 into 0.327 square as shown here. 2 minus 4 0.327 square plus 4 into 0.327 raised to 4. So this will come equal to 10 into this. So when we find value, we'll get bandwidth WB is equal to 4.34 radians per second. So omega B is equal to 4.34 radians per second. Okay, you can see here. Okay, We'll take the next problem. What is the statement of problem? First we'll see. Determine the frequency domain specifications for a second order system with unity feedback and g of s is equal to 2.25 divided by s into bracket s plus 6. So we have to find frequency domain specifications for second order system. Unity feedback is mentioned and g of s is given. So we'll go first. Given g of s is equal to 225 divided by s into bracket s plus 6, h of s is 1. So we know that the closed loop transfer function is given by c of s by r of s is equal to g of s divided by 1 plus g of s into h of s, which is equal to 225 divided by s square plus 6s divided by 1 plus 225 by s square plus 6s into 1. So which is equal to 225 divided by s square plus 6x divided by s square plus 6x plus 225 divided by s square plus 6s. Therefore, c of s by r of s is equal to, so this term s square plus 6x and this s square plus 6x will cancel. So c of s by r of s is equal to 225 divided by s square plus 6x plus 225. So comparing equation 1 with omega n square by s square plus 2 damping ratio omega n s plus omega n square, we have omega n square. So this is omega n square 225. So omega n is root of 225. Due to that we'll get omega n as 15 radians per second. Okay, 50 radians per second. Then we have 2 damping ratio omega n is equal to 6. So this represents 2 damping factor omega ns. So 2 damping factor omega ns is here, which is 6s. So due to that 2 damping factor omega n is 6. So damping will get 6 by 2 omega n, which is equal to 6 by 2 into 15. Due to the damping ratio is 0.2. 0.2. Then we'll find resonant peak. So we have MR is equal to 1 by 2 damping ratio into root of 1 minus damping square, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 0.2 into root of 1 minus 0.2 square. So MR is 2.6. MR is 2.6. 2.6. Resonant frequency is omega r is equal to omega and root of 1 minus 2 damping square, which is equal to 15 into root of 1 minus 2 into 0.2 square. Omega r is equal to 14.39 radians per second. Then bandwidth will find. Bandwidth omega n is equal to, bandwidth omega b is equal to omega n into root of 1 minus 2 damping square plus root of 2 minus 4 damping square plus 4 damping raised to 4. So which is equal to 15 into root of 1 minus 2 into 0.2 square plus root of 2 minus 4 into 0.2 square plus 4 into 0.2 raised to 4. So which comes to be 15 into root of 1 minus 2 into 0.2 square plus 1.35 etc. So omega b will come equal to 22.69656 radians per seconds. Okay, let's start question number. So how much is omega? So how much is omega b going to come? 22.65 radians per second. Okay. So the statement of problem is find the frequency domain specifications for a system having C of S by R of S is equal to s raised to 4 s raised to sorry, just a minute. So C of s by R of s is equal to s is equal to 84 divided by 84 divided by s square plus 7s plus 81. So we'll go for the solution. Given C of s by R of s is equal to 84 divided by s square plus 7s plus 81. So we'll compare equation 1 with standard function. C of s by R of s is equal to omega n square by s square plus 2 damping ratio omega n s plus omega n square we have. So when we take this and compare this omega n square with this, omega n square is 81, so omega n is root of 81. Due to that we'll get omega n as 9 radians per second. 2 damping ratio omega n is equal to 7, so damping ratio is equal to 7 by 2 omega n, which comes to be, so this is compared with this 7. Okay, so damping ratio is 7 by 2 omega n, which comes to be 7 by 2 into 9. So damping ratio is 0.389. 0.389. Next we'll find resonant peak. So you calculate. Next, resonant peak. Mr is equal to 1 by 2 damping ratio into root of 1 minus damping square. So which will be, substitute the values, 1 divided by 2 into 0.398 into root of 1 minus 0.389 square. So find Mr comes to be 1.89. Next, resonant frequency. Omega R is equal to omega n into root of 1 minus 2 damping square. So which is equal to 9 into root of 1 minus 2 into 0.389 square. Omega R is 7.515 radians per second. Next, bandwidth. Bandwidth we have omega b is equal to omega n into root of 1 minus 2 damping square plus root of 2 minus 4 damping square plus 4 damping raised to 4, which is equal to 9 into root of 1 minus 2 0.389 square plus root of 2 minus 4 0.389 square plus 4 0.389 raised to 4, which comes equal to 9 into root of 1 minus 2 into 0.389 square plus 1.2191. So omega b is 12.46 radians per second. So okay, we'll go for the next problem. Okay, the statement of problem is find K and A for the feedback system shown in figure below, so that Mr is equal to 1.25 and omega R is equal to 12.68 radians per second will be satisfied. Also determine the settling time and bandwidth. So this is a system given. Okay, R of S is input, C of S output, G of S feedback is unity. Okay, we have to find K and A. Solution. We know that the closed loop transfer function is given by C of S by R of S is equal to G of S divided by 1 plus G of S into H of S, which is equal to K divided by S square plus AS divided by 1 plus K S square by AS, which is equal to, so you can have K divided by S square plus AS divided by S square plus AS plus K by S square plus AS. So C of S by R of S is equal to K divided by S square plus AS plus K. I'll take this as equation 1. Then I'll compare this equation 1 with standard function. What is the standard function? We know C of S by R of S is equal to omega n square divided S square plus 2 damping omega n s plus omega n square. So we have omega n square is equal to k. Omega n is root of k radians per second. 2 damping ratio omega n is equal to a. Due to that, damping ratio is equal to a divided by 2 omega n, which is equal to a divided by 2 root k. So omega n is root of k. So you will have a divided by 2 root k. Due to the damping ratio is a divided by 2 into root of k. Resonant frequency Mr is equal to 1 divided by 2 damping ratio to root of 1 minus damping ratio square. Given Mr, I think Mr is given as 1.25. We'll see. You wait. I think in the statement of problem it is given here, no? Mr is 1.25. Okay? Mr is 1.25 given. So substitute 1.25 is equal to 1 divided by 2 into a by 2 root k. Damping is how much? A divided by 2 root k into root of 1 minus a by 2 root k whole square. So make the arrangements. What will get? 1.25 is equal to 1 divided by a by root k into root of 1 minus a square by 4k. So 1.25 is equal to 1 divided by a root by root k, which is into root of 4k minus a square by 4k, which is equal to 1 divided by a by root k into root of 4k minus a square by root of 4k, which is 1.25 is equal to 1 by a into root of 4k minus a square k into 2 root k, which is equal to 1 by a into root of 4k minus a square by 2k. So 1.25 is equal to 2k by a into root of 4k minus a square. 1.25 a into root of 4k minus a square is 2k. By taking squares on both sides, 1.25 square into a square 4k minus a square is equal to 4k square. So 1.5625 a square into 4k minus a square is equal to 4k square. So 6.25 a square k minus 1.5625 a raised to 4 is equal to 4k square. So equation can be rewritten as 4k square minus 6.25 a square k plus 1.5625 a raised to 4 is equal to 0. So whatever you see this above equation, 4k square minus 6.25 a square k plus 1.5625 a raised to 4 is equal to, it is of the form of a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Due to that, x will become minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Comparing with equation 2, we have x is equal to k, a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 6.25 square, c is equal to 1.5625 a raised to 4. Due to that, k is equal to 6.25 a square plus or minus root of minus 6.25 a square whole square minus 4 into 4, 1.5625 a raised to 4 by 2 into 4. So k will come 6.25 square plus or minus root of 39.06 2 a raised to 4 minus 25 raised to 4 by 8. So k is 6.25 square plus or minus 3.74 a square by 8. So considering positive term, k will be 1.25 a square. Okay, considering positive term, yes. If we consider negative term, k will come 0.3125 a square. So if you take here plus, it comes 1.25 square. If you take here minus, it comes 0.3125 a square. So substituting the values, we get 12.65 is equal to root of k into root of 1 minus 2 by a by 2 root k whole square. So root of k into root of 1 minus 2 a square by 4 root k square. So root k into root of 4k minus 2a square by 4k, root k into root of 4k minus 2a square by root of 4k. So which again arrangements if done, it comes of this form, root k into root of 2 into 2k minus a square by 2 root k, which is root k into root 2 into root 2k minus a square by 2 root k. So 12.65 is equal to, so what is this? 12.65. Okay, we are going for that. 12.65 is equal to 1 by root 2 into root of 2k. Taking square on both sides, 12.65 square is equal to 1 by root 2 square into root of 2k minus a square. So 160.02 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2k minus a square. 2k minus a square is equal to 320. So by taking k is equal to 1.25 a square in equation 3, so 2 into 1.25 square minus a square is equal to 320. 2.5 a square minus a square is equal to 320. So 1.5 a square is equal to 320. Okay, then a square will be equal to 320 by 1.5. So a square is 213.34. A is equal to root of 213.34. So a is 14.605 and k is equal to 1.25 square, which is, after substituting a 213.34, that is a square, k will come equal to 266.675. By taking k is equal to 0.3125 square in equation 3, 2 into 0.3125 square minus a square is equal to 320. So 0.625 square minus a square is equal to 320. So from the observation we know that it is not possible to get a real value of a. Due to that, k is equal to 266.67 and a is 14.60. We have settling time is equal to 4 by damping ratio omega n. So damping ratio is a by 2 omega n. Settling time is equal to 4 divided by a by 2 omega n into omega n, which is equal to 8 by a. So which is equal to 8 by 14.60. Settling time is 0.5474 second. Okay, now we know that omega n is root k. So omega n is root of k. K is substitute 266. So omega n is 16.33 radians per second. Okay, 16.33 radians per second. Damping ratio is a divided by 2 root k. So which is 14.6 by 2 into 16.33. Okay, root k. Root k is omega n is root k. Root k is nothing but omega n. So omega n is 16.33. Okay. So damping ratio is 0.4470. Bandwidth is given by omega b is equal to omega n into root of 1 minus 2 damping square plus root of 2 minus 4 damping square plus 4 damping raised to 4. So substitute the value 16.33 into root of 1 minus 2 0.4470 square plus root of 2 minus 4 into 0.4470 square plus 4 into 0.4470, which comes to be omega b as 21.7 radians second. So this is the solution for omega b is 21.7 radians per second. So I request all of you to solve these 4 problems, understand the problems, then I'll go for the next problem. Okay, we'll stop here. You understand everything, I'll go for the next problem.